As you go about installing your fire extinguishing systems, and you look in the manufacturer's installation and maintenance manuals, you will find that there is a requirement for you to conduct a heat temperature study prior to the installation and selection of your fusible links. This step is absolutely critical to making sure that your fire extinguishing system is the most effective it can be if ever called upon at the time of a fire. What is a heat temperature study? A heat temperature study is taking measurements for heat in the plenum bank of your HVAC system above commercial cooking equipment. It is necessary for you to absolutely know what the ambient temperature is above those protected appliances. The only way that you can correctly select your fusible link and the correct temperature for that fusible link is to conduct this temperature survey. This temperature survey is forgotten many, many times, and sometimes arbitrary fusible link temperatures are installed, creating either an overheated condition or an underheated condition that result in either systems not actuating properly or having unwanted discharges. So to forget this step could be critical to the effectiveness of your fire extinguishing system. How do you conduct a temperature study? Well, you need to have a heat temperature measuring device. That heat temperature measuring device can be many, many things that the marketplace has today. The first can be heat sensitive tape. This is tape that you can stick into the plenum area behind the filter bank of your commercial cooking exhaust system, and it can sit there monitoring the heat over a period of time. When you go back and check it after 2 or 3 days during your normal cooking cycle, you will find that the color of the tape changes, and those colors correspond to a certain temperature range that allow you then to look at the charts provided by the manufacturer and to select the proper temperature link for that environment. The next way you could do it is to use digital thermometers. Digital thermometers can be installed behind a filter bank, thereby giving you instant results. During the cooking cycle, you're able to verify the average ambient temperature will be behind the filter bank. This will allow you again to know exactly what fusible link you need to select. And lastly, you can use what's called an infrared thermometer. An infrared thermometer is probably the easiest tool to use because it gives you quick results and allows you to point and shoot and get instant verification as to what the temperature is in that particular area. It is not necessary to have all of the same temperature fusible links behind the plenum. You can have different temperatures based upon the temperature seen in that area. For instance, if you're looking above a range may have an ambient temperature above it about 285. If you're looking at a charbroiler, you could have a temperature above it about 350. This will require you to use different temperature rated fusible links in those areas to properly detect a fire should a fire occur, but not to have an unwanted discharge because of heat occurring during normal cooking operation. It is necessary to take this temperature study during the normal cooking cycle. This will allow you to tweak your fire suppression system so that it can have early detection but not unwanted suppression. Please do not skip this step when installing and designing your fire extinguishing system.